Wake up. It's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and come on. Hey guys, it's your girl Babos and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. So guys, actually it's not the first of the month. It's actually the 2nd of May and we're going on a walk. Guys, I don't know where this place is, but I saw by the gate it was written farm shop cafe, something like that, and I'm here. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but I'm just gonna do what's done here. So guys, I just finished eating. I had peppermint tea with a blueberry and lemon cake, and then a vegan banana cake, which I took for a takeaway. Yeah. Overall, the experience was a 10 out of 10. The food was a 10 out of 10. And the views are a solid 100 out of 10. Literally, I love it over here. You love it over here? Yeah, I love it over here. I'm finally home after like 2 hours because I left here at 26 minutes to 9, 8:34 a.m. and then I got back here at 10:40, 20 minutes to 11. So you can do the calculations how long it took. But anyway, I made it still. I feel so hot, so I removed my hoodie and I'm having ice daily dose. I'm gonna have fenugreek and Simo's tea. My grandmother makes this for me. I have it every day, every morning. I love tea so much, so I can have this one now, then later have mint or green tea or peppermint, whatever. I just love teas. I don't drink tea with sugar though, so I only have like, what do you call them? Herbal teas, yeah. So this count as herbal teas. It's a herbal tea, but it's just powder, cinnamons and all. It turns into jelly, or it turns into gel when it gets cold. So you have to drink it while it's hot, unless you want to drink disgusting things. That's when you though. So now I'm gonna take out this load in the machine and then put another load and then clean. I think I'm just gonna clean my room first and then I'll come and clean here. And then yeah, I'll keep you updated as we go. Period. Stay tuned. Love you. Now I'm done doing everything else. I need to change these beddings. I'll put new ones and then clean this room. Let me show you my vase. Why I'm not drinking with the lid? I don't know, guys. Don't ask me. You get it? Fuel. Okay, so this water is mint. Yeah, let me show you my vase. So this is my beautiful vase, and this flower is from, I stole it somewhere around these houses. I did not actually steal it, but like it was outside and then I took it without asking for permission. And then this as well. But anyway, this is cute, isn't it? Is it not cute? Okay guys, so now let's change my beddings together. Stay tuned. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I love you all so much, like with everything in me. I love you. It's just a joke, guys. It's just a joke. I'm just joking. Maybe I love you, who knows. But guys, thank you so much for watching. And then now I'm gonna reflect, write goals for this new month, write what I did not like in the past month, which is, I don't know, but then, and write what I'm grateful for, and then write, you know, just like reflect what, and then yeah, I think that's it. See, this is this diary is for 2023, but I did not choose it. I'm a change person though now. I'm gonna use it. I'm obsessed. And the fact that I did not buy this, guys. So pretty. But you know. Thank you guys for watching my channel. See you next time. Hopefully it will be soon. I want to stay consistent now, so maybe I'll upload soon. Without any further ado, bye. Love you.